aquí en el estudio. You didn't take me party with you. It's all good, bro. Latino 96. Let's go in, bro. Latino 96 says, what up, who's this?
Oh my God, this is Leslie.
Leslie, what city are you calling from?
From Koreatown.
¿Qué andas haciendo ahorita?
Pues tratando de no hacer tanto ruido.
¿Por qué? ¿Dónde estás?
En la casa mi mamá está durmiendo.
¿Tu mamá está durmiendo?
Sí.
Levántala, because tell her you're going to Cali back 2013, baby. Yeah, go wake her up and tell her you're going.
Fine, just hold on. Mami, guess what? Mami, gané los tickets.
¿Qué, mami?
Ahí usted. Hello?
She's like, déjame dormir ya, niña.
Yeah, you heard it?
Yeah, I heard her. Hey, baby, well, you're in the building next week, September 14th at the Staples Center. Con Tribal Monterrey, Chris Brown, Prince Royce, Evie Queen. The list goes on and on and on. Let me ask you, have you ever been to a Cali Bash before?
Yeah, last year with my sister.
Who was last year? Who was your favorite performance last year?
Farruko. That's like one of my main.
Farruko, and guess what? He's back this year.
I know, I heard. I was like, oh, my baby's gonna be there.
Leslie, de Koreatown. Déjala saber a toda esa gente allá en Koreatown. ¿Cuál es la estación que viene con un Cali Bash 2013 en 6 días at the Staples Center, baby?
Latino 96.3.
That's right, baby. You can get your tickets right now at AXS.com. That's AXS.com. O los puedes comprar en Warehouse Shoe Sales.